We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. We are marking up EUR, CAD. Take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action high. Excuse me. Price action, last candle in the market is a doji. Price goes up, looking for the market to tag this high here. Price actions drops down, it can drop down to low areas here and tag that area. As we can see, price action in this area is a huge consolidation sideways, and also market structure is coming from a double bottom in that area, incline, overall double bottom in that overall area. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed out once, and that's when the market enter that range for that consolidation. And we can clearly see another double bottom here, which is the first, second, third, fourth that entered that market in that area from that low. Well, so we see markets coming from overall double bottoms, pushed up to say second level highs, because this may be high areas here. And market is consolidated. So let's head over to price action, take a closer look at what's going on. Price action, last candle in the market is a doji. So indecisive candle. So we don't know if that market's going to go up and down. We have to wait for the next candle form to have it engulf this candle to push that market up, or engulf it to the downside. It's going to push that market down. It could take one candle or multiple candles, but you'll identify that closeout to the top of that area, that wick, or to the bottom of that area, that wick. It's going to push that market down or up. Like I said before, price action high highs, we look for market price to tag that area here. Price action lower lows, which would be here, put that market into that area of consolidation. Midpoint in the middle, somewhere where price, we're going to gauge the top to the bottom of that consolidation, drop it right in the midpoint. And we can clearly see price is coming from multiple pushes to that top. So the pattern structure I see here with the green and red is a double top. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a double top. This area here will be second level highs. This is second level lows. So you can see the market broke at second level highs, came back to retest, broke the midpoint. Now it's retesting the midpoint. So we're going to have to identify, you have to wait to see for the market to identify to see that market's going to push it down, like I said earlier. And that's what you guys know. At this area, we did identify with the red and greens double top, but as we walk down the time frame, it may just be a triple top or maybe a quadruple top, just because this area here with these wicks. So, which as we walk down the time frame to this weekly time frame, we may identify this, which will be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push down. Okay, so we may see a triple top or maybe a quadruple top on that weekly time frame as we walk down. So let's see what's going on. I'm going to add. Let's add the second level highs. We're going to add the second level lows. We can see what's going on in that area as we walk down. All right, so finally down to the weekly time frame. Let's identify price action first. Last candle in the market is a bearish inverted hammer. Okay, so we got a long wick up to the top. So it could be multiple things. So let's talk about it first. Could be a pattern drawing itself out for a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we get that breakout to that top and we look for that retest for that market to push up further. If market's going to respect this area of resistance with the spike up, and that means it's a break and retest twice. So it's a double break and retest that can push that market down. So we'll be looking for the market to draw that first leg, second leg, come up with that third. We'll identify stop an engulfing pattern that's going to engulf this area here. Don't know when that can push that market down. Then we'll be looking for that first, second, third market push down for that fourth leg. And we may just get a break and retest of this area here once market breaks down. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so let's take a look at price action highs, where it came from. We did say on the monthly time frame, we did identify the double top, but I said once we walk down the weekly time frame, it's going to look more like a triple top, and it does. Maybe a triple top or maybe a quadruple top, because in this area here, as on an earlier time frame, this wick was long, but sometimes it may be multiple areas of peaks instead of one. But we did identify one, to identify 3 pushes to the top. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push down. These 2 pushes in this area wasn't high enough to push close to this area, so I wouldn't count these. 3 pushes to the top, triple top, market broke. Oh, okay. Triple top, retest. Market broke the second level retest. 3 pushes to the top, broke again, double top. So now we just got to identify what's going on in this area. We may need a second candle to form. We may need a second candle to form after price action. It's going to engulf more of this area, or just push up a little more, so we can see if that market's going to really be pushed up from a W formation, or maybe it's a double top. So let's take a look at what's going on at daily time frame. Price action candle is a bullish inverted hammer. Okay, price action candle did engulf the previous candle. The wick did engulf the previous wick, but created that incline. And that can be creating more of an incline, but we are running into something here, which is the SR line going across that we created from the higher time frame, from the monthly. So what we would be identifying in that area as we walk down the time frame is the break and a retest. We can be, if it's there, we may be identifying the break and retest of that area for that market to push up. We're going to look as we look down further. We're going to head down the time frame and look and see if we can find it as we go down further. Market, you can see the double bottom is coming from a retest in this area, side by side candles, and the market pushed up once. Now we look for a break and retest of that area, headed down to the 4-hour time frame. We did receive the break, so there's multiple things that happen. This is a retest area here, side by side candles. Market did some type of single bottom here. That's just a break and retest, single bottom. Market broke. Nope. This is a double bottom. As we walk down, this may be a double bottom, first, second, third, with these spikes. Market broke up, retested these areas side by side, market pushed up. So now we're looking for that retest in this area. Price action candle inverted, bullish hammer. Price action is above, body's above the previous body, wicks above the previous wick. Market can't be pushing up unless we walk down the time frame. We start seeing markets having a hard time breaking some type of resistance in this area with the second last wick, or second last wick. Let's take a look at what's going on in the 3-hour time frame. Side by side market, so we're starting to see that area of resistance. So price action is having a hard time breaking the third to last wick. Okay, to close out above it, and price action candle wick is side by side with the second last candle wick. So that's the area of consolidation. So market is working his way up. It's breaking and retesting, breaking and retesting. So we're going to identify that as we walk down the time frame. We may not see it until we get to the 15 to 5, but headed here, you can see price action spiked up. So price action candle is a doji. That's a retest. Second last candle, third last candle is spike up. So that's a double top and a retest. Currently at price, headed down to the 1-hour time frame. Now we starting to see something draw out with a retest candle. So market broke up, came back to retest, and we got multiple pushes to that top of that area. And market still at that retest at an incline. So we're going to see if we're going to receive a break. Headed down to the 45. Price action is breaking that overall area of all the previous candles on that side is looking good with the body closing above the body. But the issue is the wick is not above the previous wicks. So we still have some more building to do. So there's a chance that market consolidate and just drop back down, but may or may not. Headed down to the 30, we have a retest. So market sitting on that SR line. Okay, so now we're looking for an engulfing pattern to see if it's going to engulf to the upside. So market's still sitting on that support line. Market's still sitting on that support line. And market broke the support line, but we didn't get a engulfing pattern to the opposite side. So this market could be breaking this area, retesting that downside of SR line, or it could respect the area and push up. So whatever's going to happen is that an area consolidation now with side-by-side candles. So whatever's going to happen, you can see that area market happen to the upside or downside in this area of this box. Very important information, guys. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Very important information. Please study breakdown retest strategy. Click on images. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. EUR CAD.